What's up YouTube, it's Parrot, founder of Parrot CTFs. In this video we will be going over Cloud Admin on Parrot CTFs Labs. You can find that here or by going to the website, Lab Machines, and here we go. The Cloud Admin Lab is a developer's portfolio site, and it will include various aspects of network penetration testing, web pen testing, and cloud penetration testing. So let's go ahead and get on the Professional Labs VPN here. I believe this is it. All right. Let's open a new tab here. All right, let's start off with an Nmap scan here. This is 10.15.0.204. And then we'll do verbose, default scripts, service versions, and then let's just ignore thing there. All right, looks like we have port 80 here, port 22, port 21, 3306, and 9090. Because we have this video over here, I'm gonna just open up some notes here. And target IP is 10.15.0.204. Ports open. Let's grab these ports here. And then enumeration for port 80. We'll start there. Let's go ahead and write that. All right, looks like it redirected to cloudadminhosting.com, which is a real domain. So let's mark that in our notes here. Interesting notes is the redirection point for 10.0204. All right, let's take a look around this site. I won't be opening up Burp Suite. We won't need it. Looks like there is some S3 stuff here. Again, this is some cloud hacking stuff. All right, let's put the S3 in our notes there. And let's actually take a look here and let's see if we can find anything. Looks like there's access denied there. But what if we just straight up go here? Okay. All right, cool. And we found backup SQL.sh here. And then contents of backup SQL.sh is what? Can we view that, or is that going to be private? Let's go to s3.cloudhostingadmin.com and then go here. Oh, it looks like it just downloaded and I had that one before. All right, cool. Okay, so we can just close that since we have it open right here. Guess we don't need to put the contents in there, but it looks like we do have hard-coded credentials in here. Cloud admin hosting. Reveal creds. And then what is the password there? Right here. Oh, did not mean to put that there. Let's put this down here. All right. Not bad so far. We got some credentials here. What is this script doing? It's backup SQL. So it looks like there is a admin hosting database, and it is just backing up with MySQL dump, gzip, and then up to Linode, and it just removes any lingering stuff there. Okay, that might come in handy later. Let's go back, and since we have those credentials and 3306 is open, let's see if we can connect MySQL, I believe tag H 10.15.0.204, and then I believe it's username, cloud admin hosting, and then the password of the password that we have, and it looks like we are not going to be able to access that from our IP address. Okay, let's mark that in our notes here. Enumeration for port 306. Cannot do anything. I'll just put that there. What other ports do we have here? We have port 21, port 22, and port 9090. Let's actually look at what 9090 is. That's usually a web port. Looks like I was there previously. All right, cool. So let's see if we can do cloud admin hosting with these credentials here. Doesn't look like we'll be able to access that. Let's try a port 21 here. Can we FTP in? FTP 10.15.0.204. Looks like we can. There's no anonymous log on here. Let's type cloud admin hosting, and then the password there. Is that gonna let us in? That is gonna let us in. Awesome. What do we have here? We have credentials. Can we get credentials? Unzip credentials.zip. ls credentials. Let's see if there's anything at all in there, and there's just nothing in there. Okay. But we do have access to port 21 here. Port 21 access with Same creds used for MySQL server. Enumeration for port 21. There we go. All right. Let's see if we can log in to SSH. This will be cloud admin hosting at 10.15.0 at 204. And then let me grab this again. All right, looks like we cannot access that either. All right, let's take a step back here and think what other usernames we could possibly come up with for cloud admin. There's cloud admin hosting here. We can try cloud admin and try our chances with access that way. Especially since there's like some credential reuse here that we've seen already. Let's see how far we can push this credential reuse. So let's create a users.txt file here, and let's do cloud admin root, cloud admin hosting, cloud hosting. And if we go back to the website here, cloudadminhosting.com, we'll see Alex Smith here. So let's put Alex Smith there, and then we can do a Hydra brute force here. We'll do L as the users with the password here. And then we'll try SSH 10.15.0.204. And we'll let that go ahead and run on through. And it looks like 0 passwords, valid passwords were found. Okay, that was interesting. What other access methods do we have? What about FTP? Let's see if there's anything else on FTP here. Looks like we can use cloud admin. And then there's cloud admin hosting as well. Okay, interesting. So cloud admin is a username that we can use. Let's put that in our notes. Vim notes.txt. Let's go all the way up here. Interesting notes. Found new creds. Username is cloud admin. So let's FTP in. since we have that now, this will be FTP 10.15.0.204. Try cloud admin. And then this other password here. Let's grab that and paste that. All right, cool. Oh, looks like there is a user.txt we can grab. It's cloud admin. So that is interesting why we were not able to get SSH to work. Let's try it again. Okay, so since we were able to get FTP access, we actually have another application here that we were looking at earlier, which is this admin hosting panel. Let's see if we can get access with cloud admin. And then this as the credentials. And it looks like we got access. Awesome. So we got a terminal right here. We can just pop a terminal. All right, looks like we have access to a terminal here. There's our user.txt. Let's see if we can run anything as sudo. I didn't like how I pasted that. All right, nothing can be ran as sudo. Let's check for set UID. Can do that with this command here. Looks like there was nothing there though. But with that 4000, you can check for the set UID bit. Let's see if there's anything with shared permissions, and it looks like there is. Let's look through these and see if there's anything of interest. There's password. That's on Snap though. BSD right F user mount at mount cron tab new group pk exec sudo su unmount pass wd. Okay, base64 does not belong there. That looks so out of place. Let's look at what base64 could do here. Let's do user bin base64 and let's look at those file permissions. Looks like it's root. If we look at they both have root there. This is executable. Can we do user bin like ls or something? And just see what the difference here is. Alright, let's go to GTFO bins here. And there's a base64 file read that we can do. So what we can do here is, okay, cat etc shadow. Right, permission denied here. Okay, so we'll do L file is equal to etc shadow, and then we can do base64 that L file variable. We can base64 decode that because it has the root permissions here. So if we do this, there we go. We just got the etc shadow file. Now, we can probably figure out a way to escalate to root. However, you could just go ahead and get your root flag this way and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video.